So now Marvin is making the ugali.
The big ugali.
First we have heated the water.
Yeah.
He opens the, what is it called? Maize? Maize?
Maize, yeah.
Maize.
Grain. This is the maize flour.
Maize flour.
Yeah.
And we
And
puts this in the
what
boiling.
we do, we just add it into the water boiling. So I don't want to cook too much because we're a few people. But I'm very sure this is will be enough.
So you put in the whole package.
Almost the whole thing.
How much was it? 1 kilo?
So this is 1 kg, and since we are 3 people, maybe someone extra can join.
So now comes the magic.
Okay, so just reduce a bit. So now this is not magic, this is the African power. So this is the energy of the African men. So it's now more of twisting it and twisting so that it can get filled up with the water, it can absorb the water. As you can see, like it's getting harder. So
it's a quick process, isn't it?
you just add, it's a quick one, but also you have to make sure that it cooks properly. So
Yeah.
in this, you just keep up with what you, something like this.
You have to put some effort in it.
Yeah. So you just keep on twisting it around, and it's called mingling with the mingling stick. So make sure it doesn't fall from the can. And you just keep doing this and doing. So when you feel it's hard, the solution is adding some more water, but here you have to be careful because you may put too much and you end up spoiling
And
it.
then it gets watery, it's too much. Like.
So it's better you do this, you add little, and it depends how you want it to be softer and softer, or you want it a little bit hard.
Yeah.
Though I prefer to cook it soft and a little bit not that too soft, so I balance it up. So not too soft and not too hard.
I see.
So you can see like it's still hard.
So
It's
they're
not
like,
yet to where I want it, so yeah.
it's still too
Just
hard.
keep adding water.
Ah.
So I think this is the last time I'm adding water.
And you're always adding hot water to that.
Yeah, it's hot.
Never
Not
use cold.
If you use cold, then it will be not cooking well, and you may end up eating it half cooked.
Ah. I see.
So
But half cooked is hard to digest, I guess.
yeah, it really messes up the stomach.
Oh.
Also, you have to mind the heat.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have to be too much because it may end up burning.
So you do this with gas. Or
Yeah.
can you do it also
You
with
can do it with charcoal.
electro oven?
Yeah, you. For the oven, I don't know really, but it's better with gas and maybe charcoal and anything that's bringing heat, as long as it can heat the pan you're using to cook. That's all you need. Yeah, this is the final product, because now I'm winding up a little times, and then it's ready.
Jambo, jambo wana habari gani?